Let's discuss question number 27 from test 8. This is from SOM. For a given power transmission shaft transmitting power P at n RPM, its diameter is proportional to. Okay, so shaft is transmitting power, okay, at capital N RPM. Okay, its diameter is proportional to. Okay, so power, let's say you have a shaft. Well, shafts basically transmits torque, so it's running at say n rpm and transmitting torque. So power can be written as torque into angular velocity. Angular velocity in radians is 2 pi n by 60, because n is in revolutions per minute, so you multiply with 2 pi, it becomes radians per minute, and then you divide by 60 to make it radians per second. So power is torque into angular velocity, just power as force into velocity. In terms of rotational sense, it's torque into angular velocity. So now I need dia. Now how do I get dia? Well, it transmits torque, but then how much torque you can transmit, there's a limitation, and the limitation comes from the stress point of view. Well, how is torque related to the stress? The torque on a shaft creates twisting moment, and basically this is external torque, and there's a resisting torque that comes here. So it's just like it's in torque. So because of this torque, you have a shear stresses created. And how do I use? It is related by the equation T by J is tau by R. So tau is TR by J, and for a circular shaft, J is pi by 32 d power 4, R is T by 2, so it becomes 16 T by pi d cube is the shear stress. Now, so torque will be my tau into pi d cube by 16. So one thing is that pi d cube by 16 is okay. Now if I just apply the torque such that my shear stress reaches a point where it fails, so that is a material limitation tau. Okay, so this comes from the material limitation, and which is a constant for a material. So if I substitute torque here, so P tau pi d cube by 16 into 2 pi n. So I want its diameter is proportional to, so a relation for the diameter. So relation for a diameter will be P by n, and the other stuff, that is 16 by 2 pi tau, will go there, and it will be d cube. So the 16 by 2 pi tau, I would say it's a constant, and P by n like this. So whole 1 by 3 will give you. So this is expression for the diameter. Tau, why I'm saying constant, it is a material constant, and say I have just yielded it till the point where it fails, and that point where it fails, it's a material constant, right? So the 16 by 2 is constant, so diameter is basically proportional to P by n whole power 1 by 3. So the answer for this is A. Option for this is A. Thank you.